Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Join us in the visual content creation journey, where we try to bring a fusion of graphic designs and picture manipulations for you to enjoy and hopefully learn from and be inspired. Below are some examples for graphic designs and picture manipulations. Let's have a watch to understand them in a better way. This visual content creation journey covers the latest future trends in graphic designs and in picture manipulations. If you like any one of these trendy artworks, you can also try on your digital design canvas, along with your preferred app. Moreover, we're trying to make you familiar with working scenario of digital artwork. Here you also know how to get our assistance in both ways, free as well as paid. Let's understand our assistance. It means that how we assist any person in getting prepared the digital artwork, free as well as paid, and how we assist any person in learning how the whole process undergoes, free as well as paid. So let's get started with few points explained in this clip. What is graphic design? With example. What is picture manipulations? With example. About first assistance in getting prepared the digital artwork. About second assistance in learning how the whole process undergoes. Our assistance provision, free and no charges applied. Our assistance provision, paid and genuine charges applied. How to approach us? What is graphic design? Graphic design is a craft where designers create visual content to communicate with viewers. By applying visual hierarchy and page layout techniques, designers use colors, typography, shapes and pictures to meet users' specific needs and focus on the logic of displaying elements in interactive designs to optimize the user experience. For example, signs and infographics. Logo of a company or any organization. Label of consumer products like on bottle, on box and many others. Cover page of book, magazine, or any booklet. Posters or bills, making an appeal to public about a concern or cause. Business cards to communicate with client and in general with peoples. Website layouts for company or any organization or an individual. Interfaces of mobile apps and software and many others are such example of graphic design. What is picture or photograph manipulations? Photograph manipulation involves the transformation or alteration of a photograph, using various methods and techniques to achieve desired results. It considered to be skillful artwork of an artist. Depending on the application and intent, some photograph manipulations are considered an art form, because it involves the creation of unique images by photographic artists. For example, an ordinary portrait turned out into a fiery deity. Toys come to life. Surely many of us have such wishes in our childhood. Angel uncovers the season by her heavenly magic. Appearance of a river in desert, a sudden surprise for anyone. Shattered glass of a car. Autumn beauty. And many others are such examples of photograph manipulation. About first assistance, in getting prepared the digital artwork. Below are the provisions, that falls under, our free assistance. Below are the provisions, that falls under, our paid assistance. About second assistance, in learning how the whole process undergoes. Here we helps you in learning how the whole process undergoes, because plenty of softwares are available in the market, which one to choose that fits your needs, and start making your own digital artwork with a standout quality. Below are the provisions, that falls under, our free assistance. Below are the provisions, that falls under, our paid assistance. While taking this second assistance, a face-to-face interaction will be helpful, for a teacher-student bond, that makes meaningful learning. How to approach us. Submit your photo or design need to be turned out into digital artwork at our provided email ID as attachments. If it is submitted for free assistance, we reply as edited digital artwork, attached with our email ID for the same. If it is submitted for paid assistance, we reply as edited digital artwork, attached with our email ID for the same, after confirmation of payment. Our email ID is provided, in the description box, and in the end of this clip. Here we also assist you in pic transformation, at 888 only, our basic nominal charges. Only you'll mail us a photo, and decide its future transformation that you like. Then we start working on your photo, with your suggested transformation steps, with the help of photo editing apps and tricks. See the first original picture, then its transformation 1 occurs. As its BG gets changed. Then transformation 2. Then transformation 3, a face merged with the hand.
Let's concluding this introductory clip. With us, you have a visual journey for future's trendy digital artworks. Get knowledge about graphic designs and picture manipulations. We also provide assistance in both ways, free as well as paid. Our assistance in getting prepared digital artworks. Our assistance in learning via our workshops. To approach us, one can send a mail about the need in any digital artworks. We also assist in your pic transformation at the rate of 888 only, our basic nominal charges.
So that's all here. We ends up with this introductory clip, and hope that you know all about us. Thanks for watching.